Hi there, this is Daniel from Informatics, and I'm going to show you how to get through any school computer security system around. The first method is called the ping method, so what you want to do is open up your start menu and type in CMD. This will open up command prompt. This is a pretty primitive method, and most school computer systems have it blocked, but hopefully it will work. So you just want to go ahead and type ping, and then the site you want to go to. I know on my school computers, Facebook is blocked, so type Facebook. And then what you'll get right here is a what looks like an IP address. So what you want to do is then open up your browser, go up to the top of the browser, and type in the number that you see there. It won't work, but sometimes it will. And there you go. Right now, the second method you can use is using a proxy server. So right now I'm on newipnow.com, and all you have to do is click on the server, and then you can use the bar on top and go to whatever site you want. So say you wanted to go to Facebook, just type it in up top. Now the problem with this is sometimes you'll get certain errors, and a lot of school computers actually have these sites blocked. Alright, so finally here we have the foolproof method on getting into any school computer you want. So what you want to do is go to torproject.org, click the download button, and then download the Tor browser bundle. Hit keep. Now let it download. It's only 23 megabytes. I already have it downloaded, so what you're going to want to do is find that folder, and then you'll have this right here. What you want to do is double click, run, and extract it. That's what you're going to want to do on the school computer. So once that's extracted, you'll be able to start the browser. I already have it opened right here, so you'll have a loading thing, and then it will finally say connect to the Tor network. The browser I'm using right now is Aurora, so this will show up, and you can go to whatever site you want. Now, the problem is you won't be able to download this actually at school. So you'll have to download it at home, put it on a flash drive, and bring it to school, extract it on your school computers. The only one drawback from this is that it is a little slower than just the normal internet, and I know that some school computers can be really slow, so this might not always work. But yeah, so that's 3 easy steps to getting through your school computer system.